So is the weather going to make us scream this weekend? Let's find out with Gail.
For the time being, it might just, Sally, yes. A very good evening to you. Well, we tended to have a fairly wet day across many parts of Scotland today with some outbreaks of rain, but that rain is set to continue as we go through this evening and into the overnight period. But just one moment, a little problem with our graphics here, but that will all change.
That Gail is just fiddling around here because her computer graphics aren't working at the moment, so she's very resourcefully seeing what she can do to sort something out manually. This is a live programme. These things happen, don't they, Gail?
Aha, we have it.
Here she comes.
Finally, sorry about that. So yes, we're starting off this evening on a fairly wet note. We do have rain affecting a large swathe of Scotland, so the weather warning is still remaining through a large part of Scotland. Further heavy rain to come during this evening and the overnight period, but that's all set to change. We will tend to lose that rain through the early hours. It will become a good deal drier and we should see some clearer spells. So the coldest temperatures tonight will be found across more northern parts of Scotland. Here it is likely to go low enough for a touch of frost, perhaps even some patchy ice, and there'll be a strengthening wind plaguing those northeastern coasts. So for tomorrow, it's in the north that we will start off with some good spells of sunshine. That sun is likely to trickle its way southwards during the morning and going into the afternoon. So an improving picture for many of us. We'll still run the risk of some showers just flirting with northern coast as well as the islands, and temperatures around 8 or 9 degrees Celsius. But through central and southern Scotland, it will tend to become drier and brighter, but that cold feel is set to stick with us right the way through the day, and the winds will stay strong around the coastal fringes. Now later in the day there won't be a great deal of change. We'll end on that dry, clear note, so another cold night to come. Now for the hills and the mountains, we're expecting it to start off dry. It will be cold and we will see temperatures around -2 at 3,000 feet. The winds will increase. They'll be gusting up to 50 miles an hour towards eastern parts of the Cairngorms, with just a few showers here. Now in through central and southern Scotland, there will be a lot of cloud to start the day. The cloud bases will be extensive and they will be low with hill fog, but they are likely to break and the cloud will become well broken with some spells of sunshine. Still cold once again and windy. And for Sunday, a much better day to come. We've got high pressure building from the west, bringing us some sunshine. And apologies for the graphics. That's the weather.
Well done, Gail. Out of breath, but she made it to the end. Now, just before 7 o'clock, a summary of tonight's top story.